Hello, everyone. Bit of a rocky start today, but it's all settling. Getting ready for the event in Salisbury Bridge in Yorkshire tomorrow and Sunday, which is going to be amazing. Really excited about that. And I want to keep exploring this sound, this voice, and doing it um, with accountability, getting out, working through my block. So I'm going to attempt to, not every day, but most days, sing. I have no idea what I'm going to sing. I'm just going to sing from my heart, from my soul to everyone. So here is today's little song. I love you, I love you, I do. I love you. I love me and you. I love us all. I do. And I don't know what I'm doing, but that's fine. So, I just want to say it's um, quite nerve-wracking just not having a plan and just opening your mouth and just exposing yourself. I can do it with words, I do it all the time, but with my voice, with my sound, it's different. So it's a real process of moving through the knots. That's what I feel like it is. It's moving through these knots, and it isn't always going to work. And I'm going to make a fool of myself, and I have to be okay with that as well, with the making a fool of myself and just being me. I think that's so important for us all, to just be us and to love us, whatever comes up, whatever wrong notes or, whatever it is. So one of the things I really want to do is I want to get into drumming and making my own drum. And I am vegan, but there are people who have skins that are from animals who've died naturally and have been collected with reverence, and that to me doesn't feel so bad. But the thought of having a drum that I've made, that I've put that love into, and then connecting into the earth so that that sound can come in that way, is something I really want to explore. But I'm going to sing a little bit more, and I don't know what I'm going to sing. So I hope you enjoy this journey of mad self-exploration that I'm doing. And if you don't have to watch the video. If you do, please like and subscribe and share the journey with people. Okay. I return to my soul. I return home. I release the blocks and fear and step into my light. I release and love. I release and love. Hope you've enjoyed.